I feel a chemistry.
What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, guys, I have like only 6 minutes to get ready. I kind of came late coming here, but I have like a few minutes to get ready, so I'm just gonna take you guys along. I got like 5 minutes to prep everything, so we're gonna get that done. My client is coming at 9 a.m. and it's 8:55, so I gotta hurry up and prep everything. But yeah, so let's get it. Alright, y'all, so it is 8:59. I'm gonna show you guys. 8:59 and he just got here, so I'm about to do his hair. I'm about to just do a lock retwist. I'm about to wash his hair and retwist it and style it, and yeah, that's what we're doing today. So let's get it.
Everything okay? Yeah, just changing the light. Okay, it's just this is.
You only see what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want?
Nah, she was driving reckless though. I'm not going front. Like she was kind of driving reckless. Like what's wrong with you?
Wanted to be, you're frozen when your heart's not open. You're so consumed with how much you get. You waste your time with hate and regret. You're broken when your heart's not open. If I could melt your heart, we'd never be apart. Give yourself to me. consumed with how much you get. You waste your time with hate and regret. You're broken when your heart's not open. You only see what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want it to be?
Alright y'all, so I just finished his hair. The next thing I need to do is eat something. I gotta eat something. I don't know what I'm gonna eat though, but I'm gonna find something to eat. It's lunchtime, and then I gotta do my cousin's hair. The bob, curly braids, boho bob, or whatever you call it, is right here. That's what she wants. So that's what we're gonna do after I eat, because she's coming around like 2 o'clock, and right now it's 12:47. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I have a little break in between. Just got paid, you know, but yeah, so I have a break in between, so I'm gonna get some food. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. What do I want to eat? I don't want pizza. I don't want that. I don't want that. I kind of want some Panera bread. Do I want Panera bread? No, do I want Panera bread? I don't know what I want to eat, but anyways, I'm gonna go get some food and I'll be right back. Y'all, I kid you not, it took me a whole hour to decide on what I wanted to eat for food, but I got it. Took me forever to figure out what I wanted to eat. I'm just like, what am I gonna eat? Because I've eaten everything around here already. Like, I got pizza. Like I said, I wasn't gonna get pizza, but I got pizza anyway. And I got like an eggplant panini french fries. So we about to try that. It smells really good. Let's see how it looks. Guys, in here, and they put the panini. It's a pizza. I got all of this for later too, so it's not just for now, it's for later as well, because I'm gonna be here all day, all night. So I was like, let me just get food for now and for later, because I don't think I'm gonna have time to get anything later. So anyways, I'm about to eat food. I'm hungry. That's what it look like. Just regular french fries. Oh, I forgot to pray. You got for the food. Did you use it to pray? Amen. These fries are good. It's hot though. So yeah, I'm gonna eat and then I'll come back to y'all when I'm doing her hair, because I'm about to bust this down right now. So we go there.
You only see what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want it to be? You're frozen when your heart's not open. You're so consumed with how much you get. You waste your time with hate and regret. You're broken when your heart's not open. If I could melt your heart, we'd never be apart. Give yourself You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.